Good morning, friends. It's Mrs. Cahill here, just doing our daily number corner for Friday. So let's get started. Before I reveal what Fridays and Saturdays is, I want to give you the opportunity to cut out number 24 and 25 if you would like, and follow along with me. So if you want to do that, just pause the video to cut yours out quick. If not, we are going to get started. All right. So today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. Let's see what we have today. We have a quadrilateral. Here's mine right here. And we are going to find out if this here is symmetrical. So let's check. Is it symmetrical? It is not. But I wonder if I fold it this way, if it'll be symmetrical. Is it symmetrical? Nope. All right, let's log that. Here we are. Today is the 24th. We have a quadrilateral. And it is not symmetrical, unfortunately. Let's check and see what tomorrow's will be. Let's see. We have a letter O. What do you think? Do you think that this letter O is going to be symmetrical? Let's see if your prediction is correct. Fold it in half. Oh no, it's like a smile. So it's symmetrical like that. Do you think it'll be even more symmetrical if we fold it more? Let's check. It is. Do you think we could go further? Let's try it. We could go so many different times to fold this O. So it is most definitely symmetrical many, many times. So let's log that. Okay, so today we have a letter, or for tomorrow, sorry. We have a letter, and it is symmetrical in more than 4. At least in fourths. And yes, it is symmetrical. We are almost done with April. Next week, Friday, and 1 week from today, it's going to be May, which is crazy. How many days in school? Before we do this, let's review what yesterday's was. Yesterday, we had 147 days in school, and what you had to fill out was the hundreds, tens, and ones, and the expanded form. What I noticed is a lot of you wrote an equation that wasn't the expanded form, but you still wrote an amazing equation. So we're going to do the expanded form right now. So how many hundreds are in 147? There's 100 plus how many tens? There's 4. That equals 40. Plus how many ones? 7. And that equals 147. But let's take a look at some equations that you did. So like I said, some friends had a little bit tricky of a time with the expanded form, although I did have a lot of friends who did it also. So just like this one, this is Miss Cece's. So awesome job, Cece. She knows that there's 100 and 147. There's 4 tens and there's 7 ones. And look at her expanded form. Beautiful job. Let's take a look at another one. Here's Aubrey's. Nice job, Aubrey. She has her 100, her 4 tens, and her 7 ones. And she has her expanded form right here. Nice job. Now I want to show you a different equation that a friend wrote. Check out this great equation. 10 times 10 plus 40 plus 7 equals 147. So it kind of goes with it because look at this. What's 10 times 10? 100. So there's 100 plus 40 plus 7 equals 147. And this is Sawyer. So great job, Sawyer. He had 100, 4 tens, and 7 ones. Absolutely fantastic. Great job, friends. So we know that yesterday was 147 days in school. What will today be? Let's find out. So we have 100 here. Let's count on by 5s. 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, stop, 146, 147, 148. Awesome. So let's head down here. All right, we have 148 days in school. I was going to put 148 days. There we go. Written form, 148. How many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones? How many hundreds are there? There is 100. Oops, I don't need to do like that. Silly me. 100. Oh, I was right. Oh my goodness. 100 plus how many tens? 4 tens plus how many ones? 8 ones equals 148. Whew. And expanded form. Now, remember, this isn't just equation. If it said equation, that would be different, okay? So expanded form is by using the hundreds, tens, and ones in the number to help you write it out in expanded form. Just like here, there is 100. So you see there's 100, because that's in the hundreds place. How many are in the tens place? 4. And we know that equals 40, because it's 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. And how many ones? There's 8. 148. Great job. Let's collect some popsicle sticks today. Let's see how many we'll get. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's add 4 tallies. What color should we use? We used green, we used orange, we'll just use black because otherwise the yellow is very hard to see. We need to add 4. Now we already have 4 right here, so to add 1 we need to cross it to make 5. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many total popsicle sticks do we have? That will be your question for today. How many total popsicle sticks do we have for week 4? Okay. So if you remember, one of our workplaces in school was measuring with Unifix cubes. That was one of our favorite ones. Some of you measured the windowsill, some of you measured the carpet, some of you even measured a friend, a door, our whiteboard, our calendar grid. If we were in school, we would measure with popsicle sticks. And I know that not everyone has access to popsicle sticks at home, so we'll just kind of talk about this instead. So for each of the objects shown below, estimate the length and then measure it with popsicle sticks to find out how long it actually is. Now if you want to do this activity, but with any type of thing that measures, if you have a lot of pens at home, and if you want to measure with pens, go for it. If you have a lot of books at home, you could measure in books. If you have a lot of Post-its at home, you could measure with Post-its. And if you had a lot of anything at home, you can measure with those. I will attach a copy of this if you would like to do it. Not required, absolutely optional, completely up to you. But remember, if you're going to do it, you're going to estimate how much you think it is and what the actual length was, okay? Let's talk about our homework for today. So today is Friday, April 24th. We have a vowel teams activity for phonics. There's no writing today unless you want to work on your one from yesterday. Watch the math lesson for today and complete the activity. And watch Number Corner just like you're doing right now. And optional activities for art, music, and PE from Miss Mortimer, Mr. Tolksdorf, and Mr. King. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Have a great Friday. Hopefully the weather cooperates so we can get out some sunshine and hang out outside. Um, I am so excited to be able to see you guys online again next week for our Google Meet. I have something fun planned and I will tell you what that is on Monday. Okay? Have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great one. Bye, guys.